In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and find photos in OneDrive. We'll use the OneDrive web experience to quickly gather photos into an album so they're easy to browse and locate later. Start by opening OneDrive in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look to the upper left side of the screen for the navigation panel. There, you'll see an option called Photos. This is your central hub for all images stored in your OneDrive. Go ahead and select Photos. The Photos view presents your pictures in a clean, visual layout, typically grouped by date. This makes it simple to scan through recent uploads or scroll back in time to older memories. If your library is large, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the grid. A quick scroll will help you spot the images you want to organize. Next, choose the photos you'd like to group together. Hover over a photo's thumbnail to reveal a selection circle, then click to select. You can select multiple images one by one. If you see all the items you need on the screen, select as many as you want to include. The goal here is to gather related images, perhaps from a trip, an event, or a project, so they live together for faster access. With your photo selected, look for the Add to Album option on the command bar. Click it, then choose Create New. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your album. Pick something clear and consistent like the event name plus a date. Good album names make finding photos later a breeze, especially when you build a collection of albums over time. After typing the album name, select Create. OneDrive will generate the album and add the selected photos to it. It's helpful to know that albums in OneDrive don't move your files or duplicate them. They simply reference the photos that already exist in your storage. That means you can safely organize without worrying about breaking folder structure or eating up extra space. To confirm everything looks right, open the new album you just created. Take a quick glance to ensure the photos you selected are included and appear in the order you expect. If something is missing, return to Photos, select the additional images, and add them to the same album using the same Add to Album flow. That's it. You've opened OneDrive, navigated to Photos, selected images, added them to a new album, and reviewed your results. Albums are a simple, reliable way to keep your photo library organized and make finding memories fast and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.